how you doing? My name's Elton, and this is Using and Managing Jenkins Plugins here on Pluralsight. I'm a Microsoft Azure MVP and a Docker captain. I've been working with CI/CD tools for many years, and I have the same love-hate relationship with Jenkins that most people have when they've used it for a while. It's a super powerful system, but it needs careful management to get the most out of it, and plugins are one of the main areas that you need to understand. This course is going to give you that understanding, so you can use plugins to enhance your Jenkins experience, and you'll know what to do when plugins go wrong. First, you'll learn how plugins are essential in Jenkins. Because you can't do anything much with a base install of Jenkins, all the useful features come from plugins, and we'll have a tour around some of the most important. Next, you'll learn all the different ways to install plugins, how to discover them, and then deploy them manually and automatically. And you'll see how to use plugins in different ways, in classic freestyle jobs and in pipeline jobs. Then you'll see how to write your own custom plugin, learning about the tools the Jenkins team gives you to make it easy, with a very simple example plugin to walk through. Lastly, you'll learn about plugin management and upgrades. Plugin updates can fail, or they can cause breaking changes in your jobs, and you'll see how to put together an automated deployment for Jenkins to help manage those issues. So join me and learn how to get the most out of plugins, right here on Pluralsight with Using and Managing Jenkins Plugins.